All right, so I want to pretty much write a program that where we input a given amount of seconds, and we want it to show us how much hours is in that seconds, how many minutes is in that seconds, and how many seconds are left at the end. So if I write down 7,000 seconds, I want to see how much is that in hours, minutes, and the remainder of seconds. So let's get out of let's try and visualize what we're going to need. So we have our seconds here. Okay, so what do we want to do? So we wanted in hours, minutes, and seconds. So if let's say I put in 7,000, I want to break this up. So I want my seconds to stay between the 0 to 60 range. So I don't want like 62 seconds or 63 seconds in our timestamp. So to do that, we have to do modulus 60. All right. So this will confine our seconds. All right. Now I want to get I want to get some minutes out of our 7,000 seconds. So what I do is just divide by 60, and I will get my minutes. And for my minutes, I want it to stay confined between 0 and 60 minutes. So I will do modulus 60. All right. So that will have my minutes stay between 0 and 60. And now for my hours, I just divide by 60 again, and I will get my hours. And for my hours, I want it to stay between 0 and 24. So to do that, I just do modulus 24, and my hours will stay between 0 and 24. All right, so this is our program has to look something like this chart. So let's try and set it up. So let's set up our scanner first, so we can click user input. All right, and let's do a print statement. All right, so let's set up an int, and this will be scanner dot next int. All right, so my 7,000 seconds or whatever amount of seconds will be represented by this. Now I want to get I want to confine our seconds to stay between 0 and 60. So what I'll do is I'll create a new variable and then take our total seconds and do modulus 60. All right, so that's this portion that's just been done. So let's do a check mark to sign it off. Check there. Okay, so this will give us our seconds. Now let's get our total minutes. So it'll be our total seconds divided by 60. And I want to confine our minutes. So let's do minutes. I wanted to confine it from 0 to 60. So we'll do total minutes and do modulus 60. All right. So now we just finished this portion and this portion. Now let's get our total hours. It will be our total minutes divided by 60. And then let's confine our total hours by doing modulus 24. All right. So now we just finished these two parts. Now let's display our final time. So let's do a print statement. Oops. Is let's put the S in brackets because sometimes we'll just get like 1 minute and it doesn't make sense to call it 1 minutes. There. Awesome. Okay. Now let's see if, oh yeah, and then make sure to close the scanner at the end. All right. Now let's try and run this. Okay, enter an amount of seconds. Let's do 7,000. All right. So 7,000 seconds is 1 hour, 56 minutes, and 40 seconds. So yeah, that looks pretty much right.